Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price, because currently guys, Bitcoin had dropped before a couple hours $20,560, the lowest point, and currently we're standing at $20,900. And as you know guys, my approach to this one is that all this pump that happened the last couple days is just a very well manipulated pump that happened by big whales who want to get your money, who want to get wrecked you badly. So guys, on this area I'm gonna show you a very certain point which probably is gonna break out in a very low time frame, 1 hour time frame. We'll probably start seeing Bitcoin getting a big rejection and getting back to $20,000 and even lower and lower with a trend reversal, which I'm expecting, and actually to be correct for one more time and prove to most of the people out there that this pump was actually the biggest trap that happened on this bear market, which sadly gonna wreck out lots of people. So guys, before we jump, if you would like to know all these beautiful things and actually where we're gonna get, if we're gonna break a very certain point in the 1 hour time frame, which I'm gonna show you in a very few, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you help me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm with a very simple process. Daily like, daily comments, share with your friends in your social media is all I need to push the video to more people. And guys, appreciate you for this love and support that you do for me. Appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you. And let's jump guys straight to the hour analysis. We had this symmetrical triangle, which I was believing that we're gonna see a retest here to this $17,564, because here I told you we're gonna have a maximum overbought position, and afterwards we're gonna see a reversal to retest this support. Until then guys, the technical was correct, okay, but I have to admit that guys, the manipulation of the big whales nobody can predict, okay. Whales jump into this current situation, they pump the price up to $90,000. Then we had the news of the CPI inflation rate of December, which reported at 6.5%, which was quite bullish, and I also predicted that if we're gonna see 6.5, we're gonna see slightly pump to the upside. Actually was meaning $1,000, not even higher than that. But of course, we saw a slightly pump to the upside, and afterwards we saw the hype. All the people who bought on these areas, $20,000, $20,500, and all these prices, they pumped the price at the maximum, touching the $21,400. And of course, from this area, we had lots of sell-offs, okay, because lots of people, and especially the experience, opened the big trades from this area of $17,000. Okay, because here, if you remember, we had this downward movement that actually broke out at a very certain point of $16,800, if I remember well. I don't put exactly the lines here, I'm just doing for example. And afterwards we saw this insane pump to the upside. The normal was to stay on this limit, to retest this resistance from the technical side, of course, and get back to retest the support, and actually gonna have the breakout to the downside, which, if you remember, this symmetrical triangle had a technical price target to $13,500 technical price target, which was very reasonable technical price target, and I was a big believer that we can get there very easily, because as we know, you're gonna get to a maximum pain. My worst case scenario for the Bitcoin is $12,000, and I don't expect to get even lower than that point. Of course, altcoin is gonna crash massively, but Bitcoin, I believe, it's gonna hold really strong, as it's holding right now, according to whatever else, or stock markets, everything. I believe right now Bitcoin is holding the best out there. So from this area, you saw that we broke finally to the upside, and of course, with the manipulation of the whales, the CPI inflation rate that was bullish, and of course the hype of the firmwares, that right now suddenly everyone is bullish because they saw a small pump to the upside, which is really funny. Because if you out zoom, you're gonna see that it's really funny here that most people believe that this is the end of the bear market. Look how tiny is this pump, and most people believe, without any fundamental approach, they believe because they saw a pump from nowhere that this is the end of the bear market. Guys, if you have that kind of beliefs, you are completely wrong. Okay, you need more experience to the markets to understand about what's happening and why it's happening. And also, guys, it's not only from technicals, indicators, or whatsoever. You always must have in your mind the fundamentals about what's happening in global economic crisis. And right now, this situation is extremely bearish, and we didn't have get into a recession. When we're gonna get to a recession, the last capitulation, which everyone expecting, guys, then the big investors, the big billionaires, multimillionaires, gonna jump crazy amount of money on the markets, and with that way we're gonna pump the price and get back to a bull run. Okay, not on these areas with a slight pump of big whales who want to get your money. So guys, without losing more time, I'm gonna show you that also to mention you that this technical price target of this symmetrical triangle had completely accomplished at, it was exactly $21,000, and we reached there very easily. And right now it's the time to get to the 1 hour time frame and close the video, because here is the certain point that I believe that if you're gonna break this point, guys, you can clearly see a support area here. If you're gonna see a breakout of this red line of support on this uptrend movement from $17,350 up to $21,000. If we're gonna see here a breakout of this red zone, we're gonna have a massive rejection. So beware for this very big retest on the support area. Either we're gonna see a breakout, or either we're gonna see a slightly pump and continue for a couple of days on this area until finally we break this red support area. We're gonna see the Bitcoin moving to the downside finally, and I'm gonna prove you that I believe I'm gonna move to the downside from the RSI, which you already know if you're watching my previous Bitcoin videos, because guys, RSI is starting at 88 RSI points, which is insanely. The last time that we saw this number was back on 2021, which was actually a bear market, okay, which was actually a bull run. And right now we have this amount of 88 RSI points, and yesterday was 89, and we started the maximum price at $21,000. It's actually, for those who know what I'm talking about, this looking scary. So let's hope that it won't be that scary if we're gonna get back to an oversold position. I believe the loss is gonna be $12,000. But let's see what's going to happen. Let's see how we're gonna react on the red area, the red support area on the 1 hour time frame that I showed you before, and I'm gonna do an update about what's gonna happen next in the next coming days, and of course tomorrow update. So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, press all the like buttons, do the subscribe, share it everywhere, and see you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. And do not forget to drop your questions down below in the comment section. And see you guys, as I told you, tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.